it doesn't save it.
Well, there's our barn, so go ahead and do it. Just draw around it. Try this time. Try it.
Okay.
2 seconds on each, I would take it down to 1.
Keep that the point of interest. How do I get to that spot? I don't remember.
It's alright. Submit it then.
Oh.
It's okay.
No, the point of interest is there now.
Why?
Oh my gosh. What it there?
Okay.
Now submit.
Done.
Okay, done. Let's see how this goes because I'm a smart one.
Coming back.
I think I have the setting on cloudy too, the camera setting.
You can change that, can't you? Not while it's recording.
I don't know if I can while it's recording. Let's see. No. It's going to the start point, wherever that is.
You can control the camera.
Mm-hmm. Are you watching it?
Kind of. Turn the sun. Moving your head is somehow.
I don't know why I still don't really trust it.
Working amazingly. Ronan. Come on. Get over here.
I'm at 45% battery.
Yeah, you're fine. That's working great.
And that time I just drew around it and it worked just fine.
Yeah, but it added a ton of waypoints.
Yeah, it did.
Next, you know.
It did add way more
Square
waypoints.
Area and you don't have to go around any obstacles or anything. Then just do the points. Otherwise, yeah, it's fine to draw. Look at it. Come on. Dude, I haven't seen it this stable ever. Like,
It's not really windy out though either.
still.
What is it? Where are we at? Like 3 miles per hour, is that?
Yeah, up there. Who knows what it is.
Oh, my phone will tell me.
That's it.
Waypoint complete. Alright, I'm down to 43%.
See, that'd be a really good way for the properties and stuff.
Yeah. Alright. Now I'm at 40%.
Well, let's drive it home.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna drive it home. Let's go around.
Can you see our house?
No.
You turn.
There it is. Okay.
It definitely sounds different since you crashed it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I already crashed it once.
It was operator error though, not the drone.
Yeah, it was really, really windy out. And I tried to land it and then tried to overcorrect it and it crashed it.
When it acts like this, definitely start trusting it.
Yeah. We calibrated the controller. And so far, I've only taken it just twice now since calibrating the controller. And it definitely hovers much more stable.
It doesn't even move. I don't even see anything. Like, it doesn't even look like it moves an inch.
No.
Like from wherever it's hovering. Even we flew it a bunch of times before that. It never was this stable.
No.
I don't know what the controller has to do with it.
Well, something apparently.
But it is definitely a different bird than it was.
Do one more pano before I land.
Oh, we're gonna have to land to the controller this time.
Yeah, I was just thinking that I can't return to home. Or yeah, it does give me the option, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, 30%.
Bring it down lower. Slowly. What we need to find out is if there's a way to the sensitivity on the controller. Because it'll let you do it on the phone.
The sensitivity on the controllers, yeah. It's very responsive.
Bring it back. Too responsive, yeah.
Alright, we need to land it before it decides to return to home by itself.
It won't, but yeah, okay.
Current position? About that.
Sure. Always has to go up. So that's coming to you, so just move now. Move. It knows where you were. Oh no, shit. Remember when it gets to where it touches down, just pull it down and hold it. If it does, you know, just to be safe, just do that. Wait for it to actually touch down.
I don't have to. It turns itself off.
Yeah, but you need to get in that practice of.
All right.
It doesn't always.
There you have it. Thanks for watching.
Thank
Leave
you.
comments.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Wow, that thing did amazing.